ID's out. How you set up? Wrong window. Oh. Will they get mad that I have the camera out?
Probably, yeah.
Infamous, I'm gonna need you guys to clean up your trash better after yourselves, okay? Thanks, guys. Really appreciate it. There, that's perfect. Everybody knows the worst part about paintball is gearing up and taking your gear off. And that makes it even 10 times worse when your gear is soaking wet. So Saturday night we hung our gear up in the room but didn't really do much because it's a shit box and there was no AC that works, so there's no air flowing.
Saturated.
Swear to God.
I don't want to put any of this on. I'm playing like this. I'm surprised all my shit still works.
Yeah.
It was underwater half the day.
Water?
So we get out to the field again, and of course, just like yesterday, beautiful, perfect San Diego weather. And we're like, all right, yeah, let's go play. You guys ready? Sweet, you ready? Oh, great, all right, let's go. There comes the rain again. And yeah, we just waited it out until it slowed down a little bit, but then just continued to grind out points against Dynasty all day.
So, Travis Lemansky here of Team Infamous, sitting here in super sunny California, just enjoying our first practice in the nice, beautiful weather. It's 75 and sunny, and I hope to God this rain stops because we're going to be in bad shape this year if this is how practices go. But gotta practice how you play. Hopefully it rains in Dallas.
I'm not doing it. Down. Oh, man. Down. 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 Why are you in such a hurry? Down. 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 Go all the way up. Down. 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 All right, go get this.
Go behind. What do you want to shoot at? Just like that. You know, I Jedi mind tricked him. He didn't even want to play. What do you want to shoot at? I was just going to do the same thing we were doing yesterday. You want to do it, Nikki? Yeah. You want to shoot for me or vice versa? Yeah, you shoot for me. Try to get me.
So gross. I don't like it.
knots in this one.
I like your toe.
That one?
How were the new additions to the team?
I think having the two Bornstein brothers new to the team, and then we got both Zach's back. Zach Wake, who had a torn World Cup, couldn't play, and Zach Patient blew out his knee last year. So I think the two Bornstein brothers fit in really well, and having two more missiles and weapons to utilize is really going to help the team out this year. And everybody played well at practice and came together much more efficiently and quicker than I imagined. So it's looking like a good year so far.
You know, our typical long weekend of practice, it's generally a clusterfuck. Getting everybody back to the hotel, and we only now have, you know, cut down to one room to save on some coin, and we've all now got a time crisis shower in one shower at the same time. Mr. Damien.
The Sunday, everybody generally has evening flights, but of course, the paintball field's never 20 minutes from the airport. So we keep one room, time crisis. Everybody has to double up the shower to save on water and time. And then we mobbed up to LAX and we had our own hotel room up there. Time crisis is when we're trying to avoid paying for another hotel room for the night. So we come back and shower really fast. And after practice, before we go to the airport, we get the hell out of Dodge. So sometimes you have to double up. Myself, Callie, this is Brad too, right? Mm-hmm. And Brad had a 6 a.m. Monday morning flight, so we had a hotel next to LAX. Yeah, our crew's definitely got good vibes. We hate each other, but it's a love-hate. We're all hard on each other, but it's because we're family. And we just like to hang out, like we can make anything fun time, so staying in a boring hotel with nothing to do is still going to be a great time. We always have a few beers, relax, just enjoy life, fun life. No self-control. Our buddies, our good old friend came to hang out with us, and then T-Rex and Wake had a midnight flight, so we might have had a few cocktails at the hotel bar, and then we proceeded to the room to hang out, which turned into a grown man's battle royale.
Get it, bangers! Come on again, hobo!
Stop it like
Yeah. T-Rex! Break it! Hey! Way to the danger zone! Away! Hey! Hey! No! Let's go!
Hey, Brad, this is all good over here, right? Yeah, thought so.
I'll kick you in the face. No, I'm not doing it. Bring your ass this way.
Yeah, sometimes we just like to wrestle and get frisky with each other, and sometimes Zach Wake doesn't like to listen. And I warned him about the throat kick that was going to come, and he didn't fear it, so I had to strike. Kill him.
Warned him once, and we'll give him that. He warned him. Of course, Zach doesn't listen. So we got throat kicked. Simple as that. Fuck around, you get throat kicked.
Just do it next to his butt. Oh! Just do it butt. Oh! Got it on video.
Yeah, you did.
Damien.
I kicked you in the chest. Something fun.
Damien, you kicked him in the face.
I'm sorry, I'm going to kick you in the face.
Real good deals.
They got me angry.
Find big savings on the things you need.
Hey!
Just make a straight line
Hey!
of funds. Your funds.
No.
No!
No.
Now breakfast.
Hey, you watch yourself. No, you watch yourself. I have the center of gravity. Yeah, you do.
Yeah, you do.
And every week, only at Vons. Ingredients for life. Traveling to Vons.
Oh, stop it. That's enough. That's enough.
Shut up. Shut up.
There's rules and regulations. It's a documentary island. There's no documentary islands between.
I had it on.
You gotta
On
be
the
behind
bed.
it,
Yes,
right?
we had an address. And it wasn't even a good power nap. No. I have no power.
You made it.
I was
Turn up the real.
I was afraid I wouldn't wake up.
Cell phone alarm was going off.
Really used
The alarm clock was going off. The phone was ringing from the desk.
Miss Sherman's not answering the phone.
I had 3 different.
Like a mediocre mess, right?
When a tray by itself. Nothing on top and nothing underneath.
Let's go, you're holding up the line.
Absolutely, I can.
Allow your means a large selection of unique products and gift ideas.
Put some pants on.
A little too cold for shorts.
We grind all weekend, then are back to work first thing Monday morning. Usually we go straight to the office from the airport. We come home with more knowledge and knowing more of the field than we did before. We also know more of our individual roles on the field. This will help tremendously with drills during the week.
Chupacabra!
So, okay. Talk about the
Chupacabra's coming. Chupacabra!